Hello, Lions. Welcome to your RHS Google Academy on Google Slides. Google Slides is a presentation app in your Google Drive that you can create, edit, and collaborate and present with all your FISD Google within your FISD Google account. You're just going to open up your Google Drive in your Chrome browser and go to Google Slides. So over here, go to New, Google Slides. And you're going to open up a Google Slides. You will notice that when it says right there, Slides, you can also open from a template. Okay, so I'm going to go to my untitled Google Slides presentation. And I'm going to show you just a few features here. Okay, so you can link your slides together to make unit reviews and things for your classes. You can also resize your slides to different sizes for various projects. You can make them legal or letter or whatever, so that when you print them out, they can print out as brochures, trifold brochures, and other type of things like that. So you don't have to use Microsoft Word anymore for that. There's also some really cool add-ons. So when you go to Google Slides, right up here in add-ons, you can get add-ons by clicking right here. One of my favorite add-ons is Unsplash. Unsplash is a community-driven photography site with copyright-free photos that you can use. And so you can add that on, and then once you are in your Google slide, you can go to add-ons, Unsplash photos, insert an Unsplash photo. Oh, I haven't named it yet. Oh goodness, what's happening here? Example. We're just going to go with that. There we go. Alright, so now I'm going to go to add-ons, Unsplash, insert an Unsplash photo. What's happening right now? There we go. And then you can choose an image to add to your presentation. And it's just that easy. Let's see what else is over here. Did you know you can create your own animated GIFs using Google Slides? You can autoplay your presentation or download slides as images and place them in a Gif Maker. So there's a couple different ways to do this, and I'll show you some videos in just a second. You can also adjust your start and start times on video, like from YouTube, when they're embedded in a Google Slide to help you highlight content and avoid distractions. So there's an example. In our Google Academy, you're going to be able to work through 3 challenges: add the Unsplash add-on and share a pic, set and stop times on a YouTube video, and create a GIF using Google Slides depending on your ability level. So we are going to walk you through step by step how to do this. Go to add-ons, get add-on, search Unsplash, just like I showed you in this video. And then if you want to, you can copy this in this presentation. You can copy this slide and show us how you can do that. You can watch this video right here to see how to embed a YouTube video, and then on the next slide, paste and make your own slide, and then change the title of the slide and do start and stop times for that video. Okay, here is a video telling you how to do a GIF using Google Slides. Okay, so those are all in the our Google Academy presentation for you. This video will be right here, and here is the link to tell us how we did on our Google Academy. We hope that you learned a few things about Google Slides, and we look forward to helping you if you have any questions with Google Slides down the road.